Hey there, fellow digital pioneers. Today, we're about to embark on a journey into the heart of online success. I'm thrilled to introduce you to a game changer, the eFormula. So, grab your virtual gear, and let's dive into the magic together. Now, you might be wondering, what sets the eFormula apart in the crowded digital landscape? Well, it's not just a tool, it's your digital sidekick, your secret weapon in conquering the online world. Picture this: you're navigating the intricate web of SEO, and suddenly, eFormula swoops in like a digital superhero, simplifying the complexities, turning confusion into clarity. But how does it work? Think of eFormula as the master conductor of your digital symphony. It orchestrates a seamless dance of keywords, turning your content into a viral sensation with a flick of its digital wand. But don't just take my word for it. We've got success stories that will blow your mind. Ordinary marketers turn digital superheroes, all thanks to the transformative power of eFormula. Now, let's talk about the eFormula toolbox, your utility belt for digital success. From analytics to content optimization, it's equipped with everything you need to conquer the digital villains and emerge victorious. And here's the sweet spot: eFormula ensures your content is not just a monotonous hum, but a dynamic melody that captures attention and keeps your audience hooked. It's the secret sauce to balancing perplexity and burstiness. As we wrap up this digital odyssey, one thing is clear: eFormula is not just a tool, it's the hero of our digital revolution. Say goodbye to uncertainty and hello to a new era of online success. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Keep rocking the digital boat, and may your eFormula adventures be ever prosperous. Until next time, happy exploring.